My name is Patrick Purnell. I am a disabled Air Force veteran, a survivor, and, like many of you, a man whose life didn't turn out the way he expected after service. There was a time when everything changed for me. My body changed. My independence changed. My sense of who I was changed. And for a long time, I carried a lot of that quietly because that's what we're taught to do. This show exists because I know I'm not the only one. A veteran at Riverwalk is a safe space, a place where veterans can talk honestly about mental health, about struggle, about loss, and about what it means to keep going when life looks different than it used to. This isn't about pretending everything is okay. It's not about motivational speeches or fixing anyone. It's about walking together. Just like a river, life keeps moving. Sometimes it slows down. Sometimes it changes direction. Sometimes it carries scars from storms, but it doesn't stop. Here, you'll hear real conversations with veterans and people who support them. You'll hear stories of where we've been, where we are, and where we're going. We'll talk about mental health, purpose, faith, identity, and the resources that are actually available without judgment and without pressure. If you're listening and you're struggling, I want you to hear this clearly. You're not weak, you're not broken, and you're not alone. This walk is for you. So wherever you are, whether you're just listening quietly or ready to speak, welcome. Let's take this walk together.